Million cars, last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Shayo. Shayo.
Congratulations to our this my beautiful sister, my auntie, my in fact, if what do I call her? Rita Dominic. I'm happy with you. I celebrate with you. Congratulations, my sister. Happy marriage life. This your marriage. You for me, something the message there when you give people, mostly with the ladies, never you give up. Never you said no. Or never you say um this is the end. I don't too old. I don't feel married. No, never and never and never you say so. This our beautiful sister, Dominic, Rita Dominic. Now one of the our Nigeria best superstar. Our Nigeria star in Nollywood. Many people, many girls to tell you that all fingers are not equal. It's not who first start today, who first start the race. Now they win the race. For me, that is how I see it. You know, many people when you meet her for Nollywood, all of them marry. She still dey single. But everybody, people mouth, they talk, people mouth, they talk, people mouth, they talk. She said, no, I will never give up. Giving up is not the way. Giving up is not the answer. And she keep on pushing. That day, they celebrate, they do her, I want to say monetization. They do her traditional marriage in Nigeria. Then they travel to UK, go do wedding. I think that they see all those pictures. When this woman also, now my best star, when I they watch movie, these two of them. In fact, I celebrate with you, my sister. Congratulations, congratulations, congratulations. I wish you all the best in your marriage. I wish this is when people from Nigeria travel to UK because of our marriage. This is our white wedding. I celebrate with this our beautiful sister. So this our beautiful sister, not be sisters. This is our beautiful sister. I celebrate with you, Rita Dominic. You tell ladies out there, say, never you give up. Never you lose hope. You be 50 years, it doesn't matter. If you want marry, you go still marry. Know your worth and know what you want. Oh, oh, oh. Happy marriage. Happy see when they kiss. In fact, the kiss enter. I go live with them and still enjoy am. But for me, now the message one they see for inside. Now I want like tell my ladies, my mommies, my aunties, when they say it's finished. And if you there with your husband and he's treating you well, but you know everything, please never you give up. Not look down on fam because you don't know tomorrow. Things can change at any time. See this our sister, so everybody call the throw mat for her. It Dominic never marry. Dominic never marry. See her, she don't marry. She do her marriage for Nigeria, her traditional marriage. They go do their white wedding for Nigeria. Congratulations, he has done it for you. Congratulations, he will do it for others. Others when they wait for God, the way you wait for God, look at the Chris. We see the Chris enter. We the Chris enter. This Chris, yeah, it scatter my dada. I'll leave now, my people. Okay, I'll see you now in my next video. Please, if you enjoy this video, subscribe. Subscribe to this channel. Help your sister. Help your sister. I know let her dey boring. Me una still enjoy. The thing they sweet me. Oh, I feel talk because the thing they sweet me. Who go see good thing when you no chat? Who go see good thing when you no talk? This one e enter my bone. After the gbedu Nigeria marriage, he go see do a white wedding. My sister, no evil eye will never see your marriage. Evil plan will never succeed in your marriage. All the good thing, Papa God, I used to bless your marriage. That thing we find in marriage. No man, no woman, not your fellow Nollywood, because now they scatter on a marriage. Yes, they no succeed. This your marriage, una know for each other with black hair. Una go still dey together with white hair. Till God say okay. Okay? Nothing and nothing. I wish you now the best and the best and the best. Happy marriage life, my beautiful sister. Please, guys, support this channel. Okay, support. You can super thanks me. Oh, super thanks is there. You can share my video. You can give me thumbs up. You can like. Oh, in fact, like and thumbs up is the same. In fact, this now if say na me they do. Now they see the joy. Now they see the joy. Now they see the Now they see the joy. May I leave you now because if I want to sit down for here, talk, I go talk. Omo, now who they there? Now who they there? God has done it. God has done it. God has done it. See them. See them. See them. See the married. You want try. You want try. When this my beautiful sister they at those days, me I quick talk my story. I like her. I like her dress. I like her smile. I like her art. Omo. They can say, I say, no, it can never happen. See, don't they curse me, curse the curse. Oh, God.
Here comes the bride. Don't worry, don't hug me yet. Don't hug me yet. Let me show them small. Let me show them small. Oh my goodness. See where I dropped my handbag, go. Eh? Oh, we are here. You're having a good test.
We don't cast. Last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Shayo. You go bow for the result, nothing to discuss.